I'm covered in cobwebs. They're everywhere. Yeah, it might look like fun to paddle through there and think, oh, a few bumps, a few waves, but the way a weir tips down in the middle. In fact, if you look through, don't know if you're able to see this, but there's a load of trees stuck now, a load of stuff. Make sure that's locked on tight. Don't know if you could see that properly, but yeah, there's a load of actual bloody spiders, a load of actual branches and stuff that are stuck in the weir, and that's what would happen to you in a kayak. You would get stuck